Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Ito po, developing stories sa Senado tungkol sa una, na napalitan na po ang Senate leadership, bago na po ang Senate President, si Senator Alan Peter Cayetano na, at ang Senate Pro Tempore ay si Senator Ligarda, ang acting majority floor leader ay si Senator Villanueva. Okay, ito ang pinag-uusapan ngayon sa Senado. Yung ginawa, allegedly, ng mga NBI agents na they tried to arrest Senator Bato without any warrant of arrest. Yun ang initial report ng Senate Sergeant at Arms, at ang bagong Senate President, binigyan niya ng order ang Senate President, Senate Sergeant at Arms to continue investigating and submit report in the next hour. Kaya, yon, verbal report ng Senate President, ang mga NBI agents pumasok sa Senado at sinubukang arestuhin si Senator Bato. Kaya galit na galit si Senator Bato dahil sabi niya, nakipag-wrestling daw siya. Okay? So ito, pakinggan natin ang talakayan nila sa Senado.
Objectives or under what authority were they acting and what was their mission? No? We will suspend and let's confer with each other, and then we will give the Sergeant of Arms a few minutes. I've also asked my head of Legis, Attorney Sara, to accompany them to find out what really was their objectives. Senator Marcoleta, do you wish that your speech your manifestation be referred to a certain committee?
Yes, Mr. President. But aside from that, I'd like to say that newspaper accounts has it that the CIDG issued a subpoena to Senator Bato on issues of extrajudicial killing. Mr. President, if that is a fact, then an impending case, a domestic case, is yet to be lodged against the senator. And therefore, with much reason, that the ICC cannot do anything because the case is already actively being pursued domestically, meaning to say, it is within the ambit of our local jurisdiction. And considering that the ICC's core framework rests on the principle of complementarity, it is with much reason that the ICC has nothing or has anything to do with this because our domestic law has acquired jurisdiction already. Thank you, Mr. President.
That's correct, Senator Marcoleta. In fact, many members put on record when we passed that resolution that while the Philippine Constitutional is operational, the warrant of arrest has to be issued by a Philippine judge. It has to be from the judicial authority. So if they can show a foreign warrant, it still should be presented before a Philippine judge, and the Philippine judge has to still use the same parameters or requirements by the Philippine Constitution as to personal knowledge, as to the quality of the evidence or the quantum of evidence needed in order to justify a warrant of arrest. No? So we have two choices, whether to refer to the Committee on Rules since it affects the privileges and the rights of every senator, or we can refer it to the Committee on Public Order. However, there is still no chairman yet unless the acting majority leader wants to nominate Senator Bato as the chairman of the Committee on Public Order. The chair will wait for a...
I don't see anyone objecting, Mr. President. So, with that, Mr. President, this representation would like to nominate the first chairperson of the new Senate Committee on Public Order, and that would be Senator Ronald Bato de la Rosa. So move, Mr. President.
Is there no objection? He is so elected. And maybe, uh, just for the record, no senator was allowed to be arrested ever inside the Senate premises. Enrile, Estrada, Revilla, I think Trillanes, apat na yon. So kung si Leila, dilima na yon. Never been allowed arrested. And there's always been coordination with the Office of the Senate President. So Senator Marcoleta brought up two issues, the NBI and the CIDG. So we're referring it to both the Committee on Rules and the Committee on Public Order. Mag-usap na lang yung dalawang chairman so that we can get to the bottom of this.
Okay, standby muna. So, wala pa sa history ng Senado na ganyan ba mayroong executive officials from the NBI, allegedly, na dapat sana yan nag-coordinate sa Senate leadership. Then, ang Senate leadership magkaokos, magdesisyon kung ano ang gagawin. On their own, allegedly, pumasok ang mga NBI agents, allegedly kasama si Trillanes, at tinangkang arestuhin si Senator Bato. Kaya galit na galit si Senator Bato. Sa loob ng Senado, nakikita sa CCTV footage. Grabe ang what is happening now sa NBI. Yung institusyon na dating pinagmamalaki dahil sa professionalism, bakit naging ganito na? But maybe, siguro, utos, walang magawa ang mga agents kung inutusan sila. Ngayon, delikado. Dahil, ipupurso, sabi ni Senate President Cayetano kanina, they will not allow those NBI agents to get out of the Senate compound. Aarestuhin talaga sila at sasampahan ng kaso. Okay, bigyan ko kayo ng additional update mamaya. Salamat mga kaibigan sa inyong pagsubaybay sa channel nito. Nakakatulong kayo ng malaki sa tribong Talandig ng Bukidnon dahil ang sweldo natin sa channel nito is pantulong po sa tribo. Namimigay tayo ng libreng yero at pako para makapagpatayo sila ng mas maayos na tirahan. Panoorin nyo ang video nito.
Ana mo og yero. So mag-atop ni karon.
Jakat sampura yun.
So muna ni ang iyang atopan. So nindot gyud. Ay sige. Ay no. Sige ikot. Oh, nasa subway no, 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 isip ako no. Si Itya. Mabukat siya pa no. Kinagatuon na nabi ng kuan na budgetan nabi ah. Alam manigang sa
Alam. Bisan ma-kwarto. Natira na natin yung
o karon humanag gyud sa pag-atop ang among gihatag nga yero. So maayo na gyud nga tan-awon kay nahuman naman sa pag-atop.
Salamat sa Ginoo. Tabang ko sa Ginoo. Sir Makanas. Kayo sa tabang sa sin. Amua.
Hmm.
O sige, kasi
nag-sponsor.
Pila day ka bulan ni ang kinigi ko ani mo nga atupan nga bago pa na atupan dugay pila ka bulan?
O, 5.
5 ka bulan sa kuan so dugay-dugay gyud. So bago pa na atupan.
Bago pa.
Tungod kay nga naman nga wala mo nakaatop sulod sa 5 ka bulan.
Ikay talis og sen.
Tungod kay wala ipalit og sin. Oo, so sige, salamat kayo.